All right, today is a pretty big day. I'd like to share with you an awesome announcement. If you like money, and I'm sure you do, I'm going to show you how you can make more of it. The side gig secret, how to make monthly passive income as a YouTube creator. I've been working over the past several months pretty hard on this course. If you've ever wondered, A, what I look like, and B, what this channel is all about and how does this guy make his videos, I have created a 5-week flagship course and it's finally ready. And this is an announcement to you, my YouTube subscribers, so that you have pretty much first access to this. I have not advertised this yet on social media, just right here on my channel. So I'm really excited about this and I think it's really going to help people. The link that I have for my course is going to be in the description below, so you can check that out. There's a free preview option. You can watch this little video from me, and more importantly, you can click on some of this content, the actual curriculum in the course. We've got a pretty robust series of videos. Most of them are interactive, meaning I'm not just standing and lecturing to you. I'm actually giving you screenshots, face shots, examples, and you actually film and edit along with me. And so this course is pretty cool. And obviously why I'm doing this is so that you can turn your hobbies and knowledge and skills into income every month. Of course, income's not guaranteed and results and timeline will vary, but the idea is that you can use the model that I use. And remember, I work full-time, I have kids, I'm a husband, and I run this YouTube channel, and I'm still able to crank out pretty prolifically lots of videos despite being really busy. So this is the home page for the course. You can read all about it. It's got a lot of content here for you. All the details you can find right here. I've got a frequently asked questions section too, so if you want to learn more and if you want to read the course outline, you certainly can do that. You can, if you're interested in previewing some of the content, which I highly recommend you do before you enroll in the course to make sure, hey, this course is for you. You know, check out the free preview. I've got lots of content that can give you a feel for kind of what this course will be about. Once you're inside the course, there are several modules and they're all organized pretty well, I think. You can progress your way through. Each module, for example, will have an introduction, some lectures, and then give you lots of great content and skills about how to build a YouTube channel. And then you've got an action item list before, so this gives you lots of things to do during the week. And the idea is that you finish the course within about 5 weeks or so, and then you spend several weeks or months actually creating videos in order for you to monetize really quickly. So I just wanted to put this out there for you. If you're interested, you can click on the link in the description below, or you can visit the YouTube channel About section to find the link there. There's no hurry. You can enroll anytime. The course is completely self-paced, self-study. There's no interaction with me or anything like that. It's really designed for busy people who just want to learn a new skill and have some passive income happening within a relatively short period of time. So I'm happy to announce this new course, and please comment below on any questions that you might have. Thanks.